All right, cool. So let's get into the tutorial. Let's where are you as far as like your access? Do you currently have Midjourney? Have you looked around in it, played
So
around?
I probably won't do the full subscription till later.
Okay.
But right now I think I've got the trial going. Yeah, I'm in the
Okay.
Discord. I looked at the getting started, and it says once your trial has ended, become a paid. Okay, so I think I'm in the trial. I'm not sure if that's 100% right. Like I see my dashboard,
Yeah.
but I see that it says join the Discord to start creating. Um, I do have access to the community showcase,
Hmm.
and yeah, I think all
Perfect.
that's left for me to do is just to purchase a plan.
So I'm glad that you're where you are because a lot of people are starting right there. So I'm gonna give you a great workflow that will make it
Mhm.
super easy. So let me go ahead and share my screen here.
Pretty cool.
Okay, so now, all right, do you see my screen now? Uh,
Yes, I do. Mhm.
so we're at the We Teach AI
That's
Designs, right?
amazing. Yeah.
That's why I have, okay, perfect. That's why I have like a second iPad so I can see what you see. Okay, perfect. So
Okay.
this is me on midjourney.com. I always keep two tabs open, two tab shorty right here. Um,
Mhm.
I signed into my Midjourney account, make sure I'm at the home page.